this video of Let's Talk Math, we're going to learn how to simplify square roots. Now, you're all most likely familiar with the square root. Now here, we have the square root of 64. Now, this, right, we know would be positive or negative 8. What happens if the number inside the square root, right, does not equal a whole number, right? And solving it would be like a super hard process, like, for example, 65. Because this is a rectangular number, while this here is a square number. Now, in the next few examples, I will be showing you the process of what to do when you have a rectangular number like 65 in a square root. Now, here we have the square root of 12, right? Now, first we're going to write out the factors of 12. So 12 could be 6 and 2, and then here we go to 3 and 2. Now we're going to look at two numbers, right? Or numbers here that will create square roots. You have 2 and 2. So, which is 4. So it can be 3 and 4, right? So here you have the square root of 4 times 3. Now, what we're going to do is this will also be equivalent to the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. Now, if you simply simplify this, the square root of 4 is 2. So that would be 2 times the square root of 3. And there you go. That is the answer of the simplified version of the square root of 12. Now let's do another example. So here we have 28. Now what are some factors of 28? Well, let's solve it. So here you got 2, 14, then you have 2 and 7. Here we have our square root, that is 4, right? The square number. So then we go here, that would be the square root of 4 times 7, and then that would be equivalent to the square root of 4 times the square root of 7, and that is simply 2 times the square root of 7. And there we go. Now, here we have the square root of 45. Now let's do this. So, 45. Factors of 45, you have 5 and 9. And 9 can go to 3 and 3. This itself was and this, or simply 9, that is a square number, right? So we have the square root of 5 times 9, 9, let's do that, 9 times the 5, which is the same as the square root of 9 times the square root of 5. And if we simplify this, that is 3 times the square root of 5. And that is our answer. Now let's review what did we learn today. And to simplify a square root, first find the factors, then find the greatest perfect square factor. Multiply the factors separately. Then the product will be the answer. That is all for this video, so please put in the comments below what else you'd like to learn. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!